Morning to you all. Pinawala besar Vito Karibolian na baka bisinga.
Right.
Salika kamuraki na VTFM nandang ono baru taki na Ouch Palangi Show. We say
Right.
mbulu naker welcome to VTFM na do di borongo and wuli ko din on banua.
Right.
Labra sa bawo turanga tol bi kemnen na kanda lingin binga rabi na bi hotel ni bulang sa banua.
Iya.
And esa sa parani andra ni mata bina kana bina mika and bina dems.
Good morning to all those tuning in this morning, and a big bulabinaka to those tuning in from the bus, taxi, minibus. This morning, I want to say good morning.
Good morning.
To Jim Taniela.
Oh, yan bina ka.
I'm gonna talk any base in the Tambalogi Transfers and Tours base my Dombati,
Yo.
and to all the drivers of the Tambalogi Transfers and Tours. Thank you so much for your service. And all the commitment.
Iya.
Apa itu remember namun ni kampanye sama di daerah tu.
Opening.
Sekarang ni kuah.
Iya.
Uno ada makan kortor kali mengoy suba.
Right.
Nanti mbak kau di cikin na senangon saladaba. Good morning to all the drivers of the Tambalogi Transfers and Tours.
To the Tamay
Yeah, wamin.
Iya.
Tamay excuse me. Tamay Tusim.
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree ko rin na nakasongo. Tamay Tusim. Young boys sa taxi base ang
Right.
pabula pinakabay lebo na all the drivers
Right.
of the young boys taxi.
Yeah.
Not forgetting Tamay Tusimi.
Right.
Going to Samambula
Yeah.
and feeling the traffic
Yeah.
this morning.
We say mbulu naka to all the LC drivers tuning in this morning and all the students who are in the carrier.
Right.
To all the LC drivers. We rangone bulu rangole chikor ni bulu na matagadi ko. Sapa ko ni bina rangone kako nangito yan ang lomani carrier.
Right.
Kimni nang kasita ko
Wow.
ni dapat tonggor may mursara.
Yeah.
Sa kire na muni gagaraw ni beir na kalalay. Meron dapat chupa bina kada buni ngole ko ribuli. Na mataka bina ko. We say good morning to the driver of the LC 824
Ha.
na Rosin Indelana.
Willie.
Ngo don to brother ngo. Pagod bina kan buru beto kadi kiri ken sarang ngoni buli. Kapa mimbital ngana kena baron tolo tu na sala simende. Na korro totoka enda beta lebu na mala tatai lebu.
Tombola,
And
tombola.
ngolo sarang ngo. Resini kwa.
Aseri daba from the Taranaka taxi base from Nailambao Telebu
Oh.
to LM24 Rokosami Mbulbinaka Tamayeliki and Tinayeliki.
Yes.
Not forgetting everybody joining from Naila, especially to all the drivers and passengers
Yeah.
of the Taranaka taxi base. Here another one.
Yeah.
Wale lebu sabu, not wale lebu.
Ha.
Wale nimbula esabu sabu. Lomalore GT544.
Good morning.
Driver Opoli. Thank you very much.
Right, mula ka to Tabs LT1230 Black Air Taxi,
And right.
also John Kumar tuning all the way from Barara Valley Road in Siga, Tokyo.
Right.
Blessed Tuesday too to the team joining in from the President Coffee Land Family Go
Yeah.
at President Plaza in Samambula.
Yeah.
Parmendra Singh, thank you so much
Yeah.
for your tuning in. Mula ka talaga bertulen korme welo tua.
Yeah.
Nama dua mawe nimbuka ka pamimbi na bubale mbalin rokan roka.
Yeah.
Imitum muna tonga tapu mena no michkani and mataka ni vaka dhambi singeni.
Very good morning and a warm welcome to all the listeners tuning in from overseas. Dita kadi wana na betul bito kani. And muna tapangan di borong bulmi kina na matagri ko. Okay, our story today
Yeah.
is about the dog.
There are 5 dogs.
Who love the dogs?
The dog like
Hot dog.
Hot dog purno masing lebu. The dog. There are 5 dog.
Anak
Yeah.
kambani.
There was a farmer of
Yeah.
a dog. On daw susukoli.
A form of the dog.
Iyo, okoy daw susukoli.
You're right, yeah.
You see one video
Baka may
now.
dog factory.
Dog factory ko rin naka-plastic. So, so from there,
Yeah.
there are 5 dogs,
Yeah.
and the owner trying his very best
Yeah.
to name a dog without a second name. Me kota lindo tali no na yala tiko lo manikoro.
Yeah.
Okay.
He wants a dog to be named once in a birth certificate.
Right.
Kota liba tali bindua.
Only one
Kota lindo no na
person.
yala. Pero yala patanga.
Yeah.
And the dog was 5.
You love the dog.
And the dog was Kuruti. And from there, the dog,
Atmosphere.
Monday
Garora
to Friday.
Yeah.
Monday to Friday.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
he
the
named
dogs are named according to the days of the
To the days.
Yeah.
Monday,
Yeah.
Tuesday,
Yeah.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Right.
Okay.
So there are 5 dogs. 5 name was given to a week.
Yeah.
Okay.
At sangay pa ito nandun singa,
According to
Monicho
their birth
City.
certificate.
Iyo.
Yeah.
So they coming. They about to go for the hunting.
Yeah.
So they went for the
So the
hunting.
dog are big.
A big nila hunting.
Oh,
Right.
okay.
Yeah.
when they go when they go for the hunting,
Yeah.
the hunter was there.
Yeah.
The owner.
Yeah, the owner, they go together up
The
in
dog
the
farmer.
hill. The dog farmer. Up in the hill. So there was a ngasa.
Yeah.
So there is a ngasa. Ngora buni ngasaw.
Namun ka sa wala ka na mabalay Gaza.
Gaza ngor na may bana.
Okay. Right.
There was a ngasa. So when they was in top like this,
Yeah.
so the pig running, leaving the dog,
Run to the ngasa.
and ran to the ngasa.
Right.
The ngasa,
Yeah.
he hid himself, but the lazy dog was all around the owner.
Yeah.
And which
Friday.
one is the lazy one?
The Friday,
Oh, Friday one. Okay.
Friday,
Yeah.
Mike Friday.
Yeah.
Friday the coach.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, so they coming together. They there.
Yeah.
Friday,
Yeah.
the pig is there.
Yeah.
The pig. Jao melekati eh.
Yeah.
Then after that, pig saw them.
Yeah.
Then the pig ran away.
Right.
Monday till this day,
Yeah.
they still run around. So whenever they catch a pig, they see Iliana
Yeah.
inside the pig.
Monday.
Monday,
See Tuesday chasing.
chasing. How come you very laziness?
Yeah.
Grown up. So when they was there in the home after coming,
Yeah.
there was pig was catching.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Selling the Rawa.
Yeah.
So every time they catch a pig,
Right.
they eat the head.
Oi.
Daw muso sa
Head of the what?
head of the tail. Naulili mo ka?
Yeah.
Oi.
Make it to us.
That's the
Totoo
That's nobody.
The story is very.
Gorna yang gorna. So from there,
Yeah.
they come eat.
Yeah.
But
They have a party.
They have a party
Yeah.
after every hunting season.
Right.
When there
they
is a
catch
pig.
one.
If they catch one.
Yeah.
But this day, nothing
catch.
was being catched.
Right.
Yeah.
So they was there in the home.
Eat the owner.
It's the may lagi. Monday,
Yeah.
Tuesday, they call its name
Right.
to stay there, but no food was. And they was listening la when to be Tom Osborne we to bata
Arto sa ato may bali?
Yeah.
Sa kami borta ko to kinikoli.
Yeah.
Dog farm na kiano to kakan.
Napokoroi bata kay Pita Tawake.
Yeah.
Mango may California.
Right.
Oh, yan na.
Nangaindamu from Koro.
Yan na.
Metel liling to Yasawa from Namara.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Right.
And also,
Nice.
when they was there,
Yeah.
and they was listening like this.
Right.
Waiting for that thing.
Waiting for that when they
Yeah.
watching. They want to hear
Names.
the owners call out their name.
Monday.
Monday, but nobody was being announced.
Yeah.
Senin the kari menadana.
Kono lebu ni dunru ni to kini
Yeah.
dog farm.
Iyo.
Yeah.
So no food. No food.
The food is adult,
Okay.
but they don't want to give to them.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So no food. And after that,
Yeah.
the dog was all watching like this.
Yeah.
And the owner was like this.
Yeah.
Saturday,
Oi.
Yeah.
and they was looking around.
No Saturday.
Who's Saturday?
Only
Yeah.
5 dogs.
Arto sili kila na Saturday.
Orto sing kila Saturday.
Yeah.
Orto kila nga Monday. How? Monday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Monday, Tuesday, or this day, Wednesday, but okay, Friday.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
They
Right.
all watching like this, and they had another name.
Yeah.
Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah.
Saturday.
Yeah.
And Friday talk to other.
Sarto kono to.
Arto kon.
Friday talk to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Yeah.
Right.
Talk to other four.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey.
Nobody was mentioned throughout the calling.
Yeah.
Sindu ekabikin to ekadi.
The roll calling.
The roll calling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
we can out. Atu kuno ko hey, sendo bikin to kadi baka biyo kento na lago to weekend out. Iya, doyan na bilang, oh, 4 people is watching.
Right.
One with a mirror on the face.
Right.
Two.
Yeah.
Another one is on the hand on the top.
Right.
Another one is sitting on the ceiling.
All right.
Jangan ngomong. Kembali, doyan na bilasenya. Ha.
Hey. Dog farm, man.
The dog
Oh, sige
farmer.
kala wonder ko nin to dog farm.
You see on the Facebook, there's one video is viral.
Yeah.
The dog farmer.
Yeah.
If you need a farmer, you the dog.
Maybe we can out.
Punja celebrating 90 years. Mama kana kami kuha lang mamboya wala may nasaw.
Right.
Erto na may mortal tiyo nandala ni stage na lima kinono.
Right.
May mama na bitu kene may mama na walo. Na way ko ulan ni mata ni Singapore kitabwa.
Right.
Katarina.
Berapa besar bitokan
Dua,
yang
dua,
betul
dua.
kuah kemudian bitokan di Bulimai dong anak di weekend out yang nama takago.
Dini sar.
Yun to kli na friend best friend di weekend ay.
Right.
Men's best friend. Buku
Iyo.
kara daw itokan di binangatu.
Right.
Bibir no kada. So weekend na sinima tu weekend na susu manu
Iya.
Wir no kada mana koron to yang tu wir na koli ba bibin na pakatsi woka di bikawe.
There's
Sana
a-
pakata.
When I was in Lomaybuna,
Iyo.
there was a dog. That time that movie, Elsa.
Right.
We named this dog to Elsa.
Oh, okay.
It's a very
You changed the
kind.
name to Kensa.
Kensa member ng ande.
Boy or girl?
The girl.
Okay.
But one thing,
Yeah.
that time Puna, we was there with Puna, my son, COVID-19 there, and nobody there to play
Yeah.
with them, you know. Central nito tika, may kitong
Yeah,
tong
because you stay in your own bubble, eh?
on bubble.
Yeah.
So there was a child was born.
There was
Iyo.
a time.
Yeah, Ethana Skipper, Donna Koli, Olubi Elsa. This one, our best friend during COVID-19.
Oh, okay,
Oi.
okay.
Ang kay nga nga ako ya, Donna nga una, nga.
Why ngangas?
I don't know, somewhere
Oi.
someone give him the wrong food.
Right.
Ang kay nga nga. You know
Sabi
what?
ko din baka naman yun, eh?
Sini man yung ko kanto ka bang nga I was running from like this in the farm.
Yeah.
I saw a dog running past.
Okay. Bulldog.
This from Daven's house. They know the people from Maybuna.
Yeah.
I saw the dog pass. I thought it was a chicken. He stealing
Oi.
chicken from the
Oi, from
poultry
the
farm.
Daven.
Ano siya diyo?
Yeah, from the
Devil's
shed.
chicken.
And I was like this. Hey, hen! When I hen like this, he leave the food.
Who's?
This dog.
Yeah.
I take that this is one head of the pig.
Yeah.
I bring this head of the pig. I give to Skipper.
Yeah.
I don't know that the food was being poisonous.
Oh.
So when I give to Skipper, Skipper was was being
You don't give to speaker, you eat.
it me
So,
ngande
malu sa
lumawangi.
skip, amen?
Right.
And after that I give to him, but
Yeah.
1 week I never see him.
Oi.
He was looking for a comfortable aircon place. Ndara ko na bikaw.
Yeah.
Na rabi tukin, may bayo tukin. Sali la sarang ako Skipper.
Oh.
You know what?
Yeah.
At that time, COVID-19 was there. People are drinking charcoal.
Right.
Yeah.
They-
Yeah.
Pound the charcoal.
Charcoal and the ganimbilo, the giloiso.
Yeah. Yeah.
They pounding together, putting the water.
Yeah.
This is a miracle.
Oi.
Yeah.
I use a syringe.
Yeah.
I take it from the kona kena kasa tukia mix what kena wai.
Put it where?
I open Skipper's mouth.
Right.
I give two.
Oi.
Two syringe. 2 shots. 2 Skipper.
Yeah.
Skipper now is a big dog.
Oi!
Ang ngay tutukon din na. Ang ngay pambuli ko na
So
charcoal.
it's a miracle.
It's a miracle.
Right.
Ayaw sa amin.
Ang gusto lang mo na Skipper, ang ngay pambuli ko na Skipper. Skipper was a best friend of mine.
Oi. So we skip
So-
now.
You bring skipper to work.
Skipper to ako maybe we can listen. Yeah. So we they are playing together as like a family friends.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we go
Yes, sir.
together to the shop, we come
Yeah.
together, we play with him.
Right.
When Puna go outside,
Yeah.
Skipper there at the door.
Oi.
Skipper at the door, guide him.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Don't go. Don't go.
Don't
outside.
go, don't go.
Yeah.
He's keen you. When Puna wants to go to the road,
Yeah.
he there, he bring Puna back.
Oi.
But I love that dog.
Isa.
You love the dog?
Yeah.
Why?
David Amusundole, napukoroy.
Isa.
Isa daw bulan daw.
Yara talon na matang di komi kemi no kanda data la singa ni feed showcase la singa ni kuwa.
Don't menaka.
Kema ka siber bondo ni sarabir to no way ko la ningon matani singa bo kitabwa.
Right.
Kena singa binaka ni kuwa.
Right.
Wa kusukusani.
Vitu.
Mga sulu kata-kata binaka tsuani. Kita na bebe kaniko kita sa sulu kata-kata tsungo na isala sa tsungo.
Mundo.
Era bugu di songo le feed showcase na Telecom Fiber Tuesday. Pa to ko singa ni kuwa na Telecom Fiber Tuesday.
Iya.
So tayo niya na
Robin Lee.
Arena.
Right.
En singa lebri ko chili korona kaloko.
Tukay Jason.
Na dama na dira kaloko en mbongi sarani ko.
Right.
Gonde Messi.
Hey, kuru mundo ko.
Yau mikan galumbola.
Like hat ngai siya takatay non live.